Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst retains buy on Radico Khaitan with a revised price target of Rs 1995. It registered strong performance in tough environment in Q1, clocking revenue growth of 19% year-on-year. EBITDA margins improving 58 bps to 13.1%. EBITDA growth of 25% year-on-year. Volume growth in prestige and above stood at 14% in Q1. Company has maintained guidance of 15 to 18% volume growth in the prestige and above segment in FY25. The focus is on developing large luxury portfolio, launched 3 new products under the luxury segment. Glass bottle prices have started correcting from their highs. Grain prices have reached their peak and are expected to fall in second half. Target EBITDA margins to reach mid-teens in FY26. The stock is currently trading at 56 times FY25 and 42 times FY26 estimated earnings. We retain a buy on the stock with a revised price target of Rs 1995. Next, we have an update on Lupin Ltd. Q1 FY25 earnings were strong, beating our estimates on all fronts. Overall, due to a healthy product pipeline, the company increased its EBITDA margin guidance to 23 to 24%. Going forward, the company has a healthy product pipeline of complex generics and specialty products, which constitute 70% of product pipeline. The company envisages USCC sales to increase from $200 to $230 in FY25. The new product pipeline is expected to aid in increasing the EBITDA margin towards 23 to 24% in line with peers. India business is also expected to sustain double-digit growth. At the current market price, the stock trades at 28.7 times its FY25 and 23.7 times its FY26 price to equity. We maintain our buy with increased price target of Rs 2400.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.